Hey guys, this is JM from Scribbler Planet, and I learned calligraphy over the quarantine, and I just wanted to flip through some of my notebooks and show you my progress. This is my first attempt at calligraphy. You can see it's not very good, even with the use of guidelines and flourishes. I think it made it worse. Anyway, I tried a lot of things: brush calligraphy, faux calligraphy with my fountain pen, lettering, a bit of lettering. They all didn't turn out that well. Um, I'm not ashamed to say that. Uh, but you have to understand, back then, I started with zero knowledge. I didn't know any of the terms, I didn't know any of the tools, I didn't know any of the drills. All I had was a background on cursive because I learned it in elementary and high school, and a brush pen, a zebra G nib, and my fountain pens. So that's basically what I did. I just started writing cursive with those pens, and the two things I knew about calligraphy back then was downstrokes thick and upstrokes thin. So tried applying that, tried writing in cursive with the pens, and honestly there was a bit of progress, but it wasn't as fast as it was supposed to be. If you don't have any background in calligraphy, it would be like, at least based on my experience, it was like finding your way in a dark room. And honestly, that's what my notebook looks like. It was like I was writing without the lights on. So it was, as you can see, it's really messy. And I think my first notebook, it's all pretty messy. So what did I do to improve? I went to YouTube and looked for some courses, lessons, how to learn calligraphy. Just type it there, and a lot of videos would come up. But it wasn't what I expected. I tried watching a few of them, and I tried practicing them, applying what they taught, but it just wasn't clicking. I don't know, but it was like I knew what was supposed to be done, but I couldn't apply it properly. So what I did then was that I went to Instagram and looked for the really talented calligraphers to use as reference. Reference, not copy. Okay, so don't copy don't copy artists on Instagram. That's bad. Anyway, once I did that, everything just clicked. I don't know, maybe I'm just a visual learner, but when I started practicing using references from those artists, everything that I learned during my research, during my hours of watching YouTube videos, they all just clicked. And I think it's about in the middle of the third notebook that I really saw some significant improvement. It was good days, bad days. Here you can see I'm already, look at this. It's an attempt at lettering, and I'm pretty proud of this. So yeah. Anyway, good days, bad days, right? So there were a few days that I could apply everything that I learned properly, and I seemed better than I was. But most days, anyway, it was hit or miss. Let's just leave it at that. So what I did was just kept on practicing, I did this for, I think I started on July or August, and I haven't stopped practicing since. And it's 1 or 2 hours a day, every day. And you might think that it's pretty hard, but the thing was that I did it while I was listening to music or watching YouTube videos, listening to K-pop. Anyway, anything that I enjoyed or was fun for me. And it really helped. It helped me associate the art with something really fun. So as you'll notice, a lot of these are quotes from shows, lyrics from songs, song titles, or bands or band members that I like. And it got me through. And as you can see, there's a bit of improvement. It's not a fantastic improvement, but there's progress. I'd like to think that. So you might be wondering how I got into calligraphy. If not, I'm gonna tell you anyway. So yeah. Anyway, I got into calligraphy because of my site, Scribbler Planet. I write about bullet journals and fountain pens. And calligraphy is very close to the bullet journal community. They use it to decorate their trackers, their cover pages, their monthlies. And for me, who uses a bullet journal, but a minimalist bullet journal, I wasn't that exposed to the artsy side until I started writing about it. And while I still use a minimalist bullet journal, seeing all those talented calligraphers apply what they learned, it made me want to learn it too. So that's how I started. I got a pen and started writing reveries over and over again. I can't say I'm the best, but I can say that I am enjoying the process. And that's what I really wanted to share in this video, is that you don't have to be the best to enjoy it, You don't have to be as talented as the artists you see in Instagram or YouTube or any of those, because the first thing you need to be able to get to that level is to have fun with it. I might not be progressing that fast, but at least there's progress and I'm enjoying it. And that's really what I want for you. So this is all about sharing my progress with you and what I learned. I started writing about calligraphy, the things I learned when I started, and it really helped. It helped me process what I was learning and put things into perspective. And I'm a beginner, but I know the questions that you may ask, and because I'm still so close to that. I even wrote an article. You can find it if you just search Scribbler Planet, how to learn calligraphy. And it's not the drills or terms, but the steps. What steps would I have taken knowing what I know now? And I hope it can help you. So if you like any of this, if you like my progress, I hope you can give the video a like. So peace.